Hi guys, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. Right now guys, I'm gonna teach you on how to speak a basic language. So, natutunan ko guys ang Japanese since 2014, 2013 when I was working in K Square, Shinagawa. So, I'm gonna teach you guys basic Japanese language and how to basic conversation. Okay, so let's start our video guys. Bago simulan natin ang video, subscribe and like my channel. I'm gonna put here, just click the notification below. Okay, let's start our video guys. Tara! Tara! So, this video guys is our title for today. I'm gonna teach you on how to speak basic conversation like good morning or good evening. Like, natuto lang din ako mag-Japanese since na-adapt ko siya. Hindi ko talaga, pinag-aralan ko siya, I think, ilang months lang. So, matagal ko nang pinangarap makapunta ng Japan. So, hindi pa naman ako pinagpalad. So, maybe hindi pa. So, kailan pa kaya? So, ayan. So, I'm gonna give you also a tips, guys, or in how to speak Japanese from English to Japanese. Okay? So, let's start our video, guys. Alright. So, katulad ng good morning and how to speak them properly. Ohayo gozaimasu. Something like that. It's always a silent U. So, silent U po siya, okay? So, pag good morning, ohayo gozaimasu. Tapos, ang good evening naman sa kanila, guys, is konbawa, konbawa. Okay. So, at least you have an idea on how to speak, how to greet them kapag gabi na. So, konbawa. And guys, I hope that it will boost and help you with this video guys on kung paano ba talaga magsalita ng Japanese. Well, our next word is hello. It's konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Sana naman natutunan natin. So first is ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu is good morning. Second is konbawa. It's good evening. And then third is hello. It's konnichiwa. Okay, unless that we have an idea on how to speak that. Okay, let's proceed to another one. Alright, so this is very exciting guys kasi kapag nag-greet tayo, kumusta kayo ngayon? Kumusta ka? Something like that. When you say, how are you doing today? So, in Japanese language, sasabihin natin, o genki desu ka? O genki desu ka? Something like that. So, I hope that you have an idea on how to greet them during the morning. How are you doing today? O genki desu ka? Something like that. Fourth is, guys, is how it's going. So, parang, ano ba? Or something like that. Sabi, oh, okay. Or something, it's just like something like, how are you doing today? So, you just express yourself like, genki. Genki, something like that. If ever that like I'm not okay, o genki desu ka? Something like that. So that's the word. Genki is how are you doing? Something how are you doing? Something like that. So meron kasi silang malalalim like sa Tagalog natin, 'di ba? Is we have a lot of like language. Like Waray, Tagalog, and then we have Ilocano and mga Pampangueño, something like that. We have a lot of language all over the Philippines, like in Japan, something. To another one, guys. If ever naman guys na okay, so o genki desu yo, I'm pretty good answering. I'm pretty good something. So in Japanese language, you will speak o genki desu yo. So ayun. Alam mo yung if you can speak language like Japanese, so may excite ka talaga guys kasi madami ka matutunan, napaka very challenging when it comes to like speaking their language. lalong-lalo na guys, mas lalo kang ma-alert, mas lalo kang mahihirapan kapag magsusulat ka kasi kailangan mo silang intindihin. During the first time na magsulat ako, nakakabobo. Sabi ko, ano ba to? Ano ba tong pagsusulat nila? Kasi parang ang weird. Kasi, syempre, ganun-ganun ka pa, something like that. And then, I am thinking that parang grade 1 lang din. Parang grade 1. You're actually starting on sa pinaka una, so hanggat dulo, something like that. Like, kung dito man sa Pilipinas, you're a kindergarten, something like that. Kasi, kailangan mo siyang matutunan kung ano yung process, ano yung pagsusulat nila. Kasi, madami silang, madami silang tools when it comes to writing. Guys, so next is like same as usual. Like, ganun pa rin ako sa dati, ganun. Like, when you speak to it in a Japanese language, like, ay karawa desu. So, ayun. Silent Q talaga siya, guys. Ang next na ituturo ko sa inyo, guys, kapag if ever na, like, saglit lang. So, example, you're in a hurry, then yung kasamahan mo is, like, nagmamadali siya. Paano ko ba explain? Saglit lang. Hintayin mo ako. When you speak to a Japanese language, like, chuchumati kudasai. Chuchumati kudasai. Like, there is, like, a respect pa rin. Kasi sa atin, saglit lang, ganun. Chuchumati kudasai. Oo, ni siya. Ayun. So, next, guys, ayun. Wait lang. Alright guys, ito yung pinakamahirap talaga. Like, are you busy at work? Like, when you speak to Japanese language, like, Ishigashi desu ka? Shigoro wa Ishigashi desu wa? Ishigashi desu ka? So, napakahirap niya ga. Nahihirapan din ako. So, kahit kahit meron akong idea, pero nahihirapan pa rin ako kasi when it comes to articulation, mahirap din siya talaga. Ang ano kasi sa kanila, kapag if ever magtagalog ka, is like, busy ka ba? Are you busy? Isugashi. So, kasi is shigoto. Isugashi desu. Isugashi wa. Are you busy right now? So, yun. Okay, so, like, are you not busy? I'm not busy. Isugasi ko arimasen. If ever guys, the example like that na manghi ka ng sorry, onigaishimasu, ganon. Kasi madami silang onigaishimasu, pasuyo, ayun, basta madami silang word na kapareha lang din. See you later. Okay. So, Diomata Atori. Ba nila i-articulate yung word na yan, pero alam ko kasi sa sarili ko na ganun yung pagsasalita nila. Like, kung if ever na example, magtatagalog ka, pasuyo naman, Yoroshiko ne, something like that. Yoroshiko ne, onigai. So, ayun, onigai shimasu. Parang ang onigai shimasu kasi is parang since parang sa atin naman is po something like that. Ayun. So next is ang ituturo ko sa inyo guys is basic matashita. So like see you tomorrow. So I'm like see you tomorrow. Matashita. Okay. Next word is ang ituturo ko sa inyo is like day off ko ngayon. So it's oyasumi. Oyasumi. Is it your rest day? Ang ibig sabihin nun. How to say your name, guys? Like, my name is Brian. Like that. Tuturuan ko kayo paano paano sabihin in a Japan. Ito na siya, guys. So, ayun, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Magbabalik ko.
Watashi wa nomi san Brian san desu. Tama ba? Watashi wa nomi.
Tuturuan ko ulit kayo ng mga basic Japanese language, guys. So, hanggat dito lang tayo, guys, kasi it's already 12 a.m. in the morning. at 12 midnight na. So, kailangan ko na matulog. Inulit ko kayo ng mga basic Japanese and how to speak. Okay? So, thank you so much guys, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So, I hope that this video will help you a lot, will help you to start and how to speak Japanese language. Thank you so much guys, and may God bless you. Bye for now.